If you're encountering errors with store redirects on Shopify, it can disrupt the customer experience and impact your sales. Here's how to address and potentially fix the issue. Review redirect settings. First, check your store's redirect settings in the Shopify admin dashboard. Ensure that all redirects are properly configured and there are no conflicting or incorrect redirects. Check URL formats. Verify that the URLs for your store pages are correctly formatted and match the URL specified in your redirect settings. Any discrepancies can cause errors in redirection. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes, caching issues in your browser can cause problems with redirects. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing the store again to see if the issue persists. Test redirects. Manually test each redirect to identify if any specific redirects are causing errors. Ensure that the destination URLs are accessible and functioning correctly. Update Shopify and apps. Make sure your Shopify platform and any installed apps are up to date. Outdated versions of Shopify or apps may have compatibility issues that can affect redirects. Contact Shopify support. If you're unable to resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Shopify's support team for assistance. They can investigate the problem further and provide guidance on fixing it.